So today, we're taking a peek at this. This is a set of 2x2 tile replacement LED lights by CycevSun. Now they sent this over to me to unbox, show you guys, and give my opinion on everything on this, and see how it actually installs. Shouldn't be too difficult. Has 3 different lighting modes in terms of colors, and also 3 different brightness settings. And they should be a selectable DIN switch, so it's gonna be interesting to see what it looks like once we get it out of the box. I do have the box opened. Let's get them out. Let's see what they actually look like. Oh, okie dokie. That's gonna be easier for me to bring them up on the table, I think, this way. Looks like we have a owner's manual. Oh, and lighting guide. There we go. So for wiring purposes, cardboard there, and 2 sets of 2 tiles that are set to against each other. So I'm going to be careful with these guys, but let's get 1 tile at a time. They weigh nothing. They have no weight to them at all. Let me get the camera in here so you can see what the settings are, what they look like. Okay, so here on the back, on the one side of the light, we have 5,000 Kelvin, 4,000, and 3,000. That's going to be our temperature setting. You know, basically yellowish to the 3,000 and bluish, whitish to the 5,000. Then over here, we have a toggle adjustment for the brightness, essentially. So we have a 20 watt setting, a 30 watt setting, and a 40 watt setting. So between those 2, should be all we really need. Okay, let's take a peek at what's in here where we're connecting. Quick and easy there. Ah, there we go. We do have some wire nuts, and then we do have our connecting wires. Booyah. Well, before I begin, I got a headlamp on, and I'm going to, oh, there's the office, kick off the office lights. Now, I'm not planning on filming this entire process, because right now I'm just taking the lights that I have down, and then I'm just going to use those same wires to connect the new guys, and then I'll go over the installation with you guys once I have that point done. One thing at a time. Okay, so I have all 4 of them done, wired up as well, and right now I just wired the positive, negative, ground. I didn't horse around with the dimmable wires, the purple and the yellow one or whatever it was. Let's kick the breaker on. Let's see how it bright. Now I have them all set to 5,000 Kelvin and 40 watts, so as bright as they can go in that 5,000 Kelvin. All right, they all work. Oh, that is nice and bright. Now, I do have a dimmer on my switch, so let's see, it does come down, and that's as low as it goes, which it should go a little lower, but I do have it set to the brightest setting. But yes, the dimmer on my wall, my Lutron dimmer, does work. So I'm looking at the lights, and this one right here is definitely more yellow. I must not have set it to 5,000 Kelvin, so that's my fault. I know it's the left switch. And there we go. So that's 4, that's 3. So you can see there is a drastic difference between all the settings, and I want it as white or as brightly white as possible. So what did that take? Took a screwdriver, flathead, that's to pop out the little tabs for the wires to come into. Wire strippers, and I do have snips in addition to wire strippers. For my connection point, I had to use pliers. Jeez. I had my headlamp on the whole time. That way I could see what I was doing, even though I did have a couple of my studio lights on as well that are battery operated. That is that. Now I have, rather than this old-timey 2x2 tile, which is a lot heavier, by the way, now I'm running 4 of them, and it's a lot brighter in here. So hopefully that helps with being able to see what I'm doing for the videos. But I like it in here. I can see a lot. It's awesome. So yeah, the CycevSun or CycevSun, depending on how you pronounce it, there is some QR codes on here for information that they have, but they just have 3-way circuit and single circuit diagrams on how to wire. So if you don't know how to wire, obviously you should have an idea of how to do electrical work in your house before you do any of this stuff. But if you know what you're doing, it's not too difficult, and they just pop in a tile, and then it's just about wiring them up. So that is the install of the CycevSun 2x2 drop ceiling lights. Pretty solid? Yeah, I like it. So thanks for watching. I'll probably have a review video up in a few weeks after I have some time using them, and we'll kind of go from there. But yeah, there we are. We are where we are. So thanks for watching to the end of this video. I'm sweating now. I'm gonna play cleanup and get everything going. I gotta get my mouse traps reset. I keep them up in the drop ceiling for mice that get up there, but haven't had one for a while, but that's coming up in winter time. Thanks for watching. Catch you back here on GeekSmart for another future video tutorial setup. See you soon.